Welcome to the IM2 video lecture. This is covering Unit 4, the test review sheet solution. Here I will be covering questions 13 and 14 because they are related. Questions 13, you're going to solve each equation by graphing the related function and finding its zeros. All right? Remember that the x-intercept is the solution, also considered the zeros of the function function. Okay, let's make that in red to tell us that is what we are going to do. Okay, so let's do the first one. We are going to graph the equation. Graph y equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay, let's just grab our Desmos graphing calculator here and put it in. So we have y equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. All right, we have two solutions here. This is when x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 3. So x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 3. There you go. These are your solutions. That's it. Okay, let's look at B. We are going to graph y equals to x squared minus 6x plus 8. And you have x squared minus 6x plus 8. And we saw that this one also has two solutions. All right, and this also has two solutions at 2 and 4. Okay, so this x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Okay, this would be your solution here. Good. All right, and then let's do C. We are going to graph. Let me just double check B really quick. Did I plug it in right? X squared minus 6x plus 8. All right, good. Okay, let's do C. We're going to graph y equals to x squared plus 8x plus 16. Right? So I have x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay. Well, this one has one solution at x equals to negative 1. So it's just one solution at x equals to negative 1. This was the only solution here. All right. Good. So next it says how many real solutions are there for the following equation. So we can just take a look. Here for the first one, it's the same problem. These were your solutions. So we can write there are two real solutions for this one. For B, we saw that the solutions were x equals to 2 and x equals to 4 were your solutions. So we would say here this is also going to be two real solutions. And for the last one, we saw when we graph it, it was just x is equal to negative 4. Here we saw that it has only one real solution. Okay? All right, so that is how you do 13 and 14.